672. Let's fucking go. All right, so in the ARTGIRL shader macros, we have made an addition. We have U9, which is uint329, U31, which is a uint3231. That's for convenience. In ARTGIRL shader strings and shader source fragment 8, which is our Josh bombs shader inside of this main function, we have changed the output color, the default output color, to gray, so 0.5s right here. And then down here, we've added a new type of prefix, a prefix for bit packing math, so a bit packing unit. And here's our bit packing units. This right here is a uint32 that encodes a 3x9 graphic, 1/3 of a 9x9 graphic. It is a horizontal rectangle. So we're only using 27 out of the 32 bits. That's why I'm calling it a U27. BM9 is the XY position in cells of where you are on this 9x9 graphic. So the value of this is going to be 0 to 8 inclusive on the X and Y axis. BM3 is telling me which third am I in, right? We're splitting up the 9x9 graphic into 3 thirds. That sounds wrong, but we're splitting into thirds. We got to know which third we're on. So this value is going to be either 0, 1, or 2 inclusive for a total of 3 values. And then we want to eventually fetch a pixel out of our tiny little bitmap. So I27 is the one-dimensional index of BM9's XY, but it needs to be localized first, right? It needs to be localized first before we can get I27, because 9 times 9 is 81, and this has a capacity of 0 to 26 because it's local, right? It's local to whatever U27 we're extracting data from. BU bit is the actual bit that is at this network bit address here. And then let's go down. So right here, this is 1/9 of the number of discrete units in a tile, and we're going to use this for tile map math to figure out our XY cell position in our little graphic that's overlaid over the tile. We didn't need this anymore, and this is the actual tile value we want to render. There's 16 unique tile values per layer. Let's go up here. So if you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go here. We do not have time here. Like and subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch and a rendering engine and all the good stuff. So like and subscribe if you want to see how a madman makes a goddamn game engine.